तो मैं तुमन मैम के पास गई थी फॉर arthritis treatment. I had spondyloarthritis. So when I went to Koman ma'am, लेकिन it helped me a lot. Allopathy could not solve my issue. They told me go on painkillers. So I had never tried Ayurveda in my life, and somehow I had done prenatal yoga when my daughter was about to be born with Komal map. And then I just thought, like, now as it is, I don't have any option. I have to learn to manage it via the painkillers. So then why not try Ayurveda? So I went to Komal map. She gave me a set of procedures. Have this kadha in the morning. This is should be your diet, dietary changes, lifestyle changes. You have to do yoga every day for 1 hour. So I followed everything thoroughly to the best of my efforts that I could be. I got all the potli massages and everything that. And I put 85 to 90% reverse my arthritis. So from having an extensive medication schedule, and within 2 years getting back to zero medicines Ayurvedic also. So initially there was a lot of kadhas, lot of restrictions on food, and yoga of course compulsory every day. So I did that for almost 2 years, and after that I was out. I mean completely out of arthritis. I learned to manage it. I know now what I have to do to manage my lifestyle disorder. So it's like 90% gone. The pain comes only once, in a quarter or something, which is easily manageable. She has like helped me to come back to life. Yay. And I would suggest everyone, who is taking her treatment to do it diligently. If you're doing it diligently, you will of course see the results. It's a slow process, but yes, it is natural, and you will see the results in a few months. Slowly the results would start coming. You need to have the patience, and you need to have the belief that things will change if you are diligent and disciplined enough to do it. So I'm really very thankful to you, Kuman man. Thank you so much.